Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block or bypass ads on YouTube in Arc browser on a Windows 11 PC. There is no built-in method to bypass ads on YouTube in this one Arc browser, so you need to install an extension for that. First open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. Then in the top left corner, click on this one arc icon that says settings. Click on this one icon. After that, hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one add extension option. Now you need to search add guard ad blocker and click on this one add guard ad blocker entry. After that, you need to click on this one first one entry that says add guard ad blocker. Now you need to click on this one button that says add to Chrome. Again, click on this one add extension button. Now this one extension will be downloaded under Arc browser and will install automatically. After that, it will open a new tab where you will see the latest database filters is getting downloaded. Just wait to download and update AdGuard extension. After that, you will see something like this. Click on this one button that says continue with extension. Now turn on block trackers, turn on block social widgets, turn on block phishing and malicious websites, turn on block search ads and websites self promotion. After that, click on this one extension settings button. Now close these all extensions pages if you need, and then open a new tab and browse for YouTube. Now open any video according to your choice, and you will not see any ads under any video in Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.